Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to the first ever edition of Newton's Life Skills Olympiad. I am Koo.
And I am V, and we are your hosts for the evening.
We are so excited to have all of you here with us today. We had so much fun giving the Newton Olympiad with the rest of you.
Come on, Koo. You know I didn't give the test. Why must you rub it in?
Don't be so dramatic. Lucky for you, the Newton Olympiad isn't over yet. Newton Olympiad 2.0 is on its way, and the word is that it's going to be much bigger and better.
Really? How did it go in your first attempt?
You won't believe it. The questions were so interesting. Have you ever given an Olympiad which asks you to judge facial expressions or asks you to solve puzzles and riddles? And my favorite of them all, there were questions on novel topics like financial literacy. Can you even believe that?
Wow! Not yet, but I'm definitely going for Newton Olympiad 2.2. That's in July though. Weren't you telling me that around 13,000 students gave the first ever Life Skills Olympiad?
Yes, they did. The cherry on top was their positive feedback. I'm sure you'll have some to give yourself when you appear for the test. Oh, do you want to know about all the Newton coins I have?
Newton coins? What do they do?
I redeemed my Newton coins to get a free brownie and discount on some really amazing ebooks.
We can do all that with our Newton coins.
Yes, all this and much more. Do you want to know another secret? Our module-based assessment Voyagers is also on the cards. That takes you through the lush green farms of Punjab, the serene hills of Darjeeling, the white sand of Rann of Kutch, and the bustling city of Mumbai. The food of Delhi.
Oh, the food of Delhi. Even the thought of it makes my mouth water. We have traveled through India a lot though. What about the rest of the world?
Don't you worry about that. Voyagers will take you to the Eiffel Tower and Leaning Tower of Pisa as well. Aren't you all excited to be a part of Newton Voyagers?
Duh. Anyways, stop tempting me and come back to why we came here in the first place. So many of us are waiting for the results, Koo.
Ta-da! Now the moment you have all been waiting for. Time to announce our award categories. V, would you like to do the honors?
Yes, for sure. Newton brings to you a bunch of fun, exciting award categories. Starting with the highest honor of the day, Newton Young Leaders Award, the National Toppers. Let's give a huge round of applause to our Newton Young Leaders. We have
Reyansh Gupta
of Class 2, Heritage School, Jammu.
Anusha Yadav of Class 4, Seth Anandram Jaipuria School.
Unnati Singhal of Class 8, Seth Anandram Jaipuria School.
Amesh Sharma of Class 9th, Heritage School, Jammu.
We hope that all of our audience is virtually applauding the winners. Next, we'll be announcing our Newton Scholars. We have
From APJ School Panchsheel Park, Reet Sharma from Class 2, Ishan Dayal from Class 8 and Nilansh Rohtagi from Class 5. From Baptist Convent we have Tanishq from Class 3. From Chaudhry Chhabil Das Public School we have Shriti Tyagi from Class 7, Dipansh Yadav from Class 9. From Heritage School Jammu we have Dhansirat Kaur from Class 1 and Adhyan Gupta from Class 5. From Seth Anandram Jaipuria School we have Arshab Srivastav from Class 1, Arav Sharma from Class 3 and Sanvi Srivastav from Class 8th.
Next, we have from KC International School, Jammu, Samarth Sharma from Class 1st, Shivansh Magotra from Class 6, Harsh Thusu from Class 10th, and Devashish Maheshwari from Class 3. From Lakshmi Public School, we have Ilka Amin from Class 8th. From LBS School, RK Puram, we have Swastika from Class 7th. From the Manthan School, Greater Noida, we have Sehat Sinha of Class 1st. From ML Khanna DAV Public School, Dwarka, we have Pritika Banerjee of Class 2, Niyati Singh of Class 3 and Bhumika Rawat of Class 8.
From Mount Abu School Rohini we have Sehajleen Kaur of Class 8, Ayush Rai of Class 9th, Kanika Budhwar of Class 2 and Soumya Kandpal from Class 3. From National Victor Public School Patparganj we have Riddhi of Class 2, Yuvang Jain of Class 3, Dhruv Talwar of Class 8th and Vansh Bhatia of Class 10th. From National Victor Public School Vaishali we have Mitashi Rawat of Class 1 and Shivansh Sandilya of Class 6th.
Next, from St. Teresa School, Indirapuram, we have Adya Sinha of Class 2, Harshita Jeena of Class 4, Sherry Garg of Class 7, and Aditya Sowell of Class 10th. From Swami Vivekanand Saraswati Vidya Mandir, we have Yash Kumar Sharma of Class 7th, and from the Sri Ram Universal School, Jammu, we have Ibhanan Bhatti of Class 3rd.
Congratulations, winners! Next, we have our star performers on the screen.
Our star performers are truly an epitome of success. Cool, isn't it amazing that they've all done so well and passed the Olympiad with flying colors?
It makes me a little jealous though, but yes, I am proud of my class toppers. Doesn't the comment box seem low on energy? I would have been jumping with joy if I was named as one of the winners.
You all can flood the comment box to show your love and excitement. Come on, Newton learners, it's time to cheer for your friends.
OMG! Just look at those beautiful medals. I can't help but dream about when I'll be getting one.
Well, keep your fingers crossed. All our winners today have done so well. Ku, I hope you haven't forgotten about the school awards.
Oh, come on. How is that even possible? All the schools who have been on board with us on this journey have been the backbones of the entire event. The entire Newton team would like to thank each and every school for their support and cooperation, which made the Newton Olympiad 2020 a grand success. Some schools have definitely stood out for their outstanding performance, and we would like to award them for the same.
First, we have our Best Performing School Award. Any guesses, guys? Time to flood the comment section.
9, 8,
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Best Performing School Award goes to Seth Anandram Jaipuria School. Time for some virtual applause. Now we have Miss Manju Rana, Principal Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, to share a few words of inspiration.
I am Manju Rana, Principal cum Director of Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, Vasundhara Kasaragod. And on behalf of the school, I would like to thank Newton for restoring with us the Best Performing School Award. And I very distinctly remember when they came to the school and showed us the assessment that they are doing for life skills and social motion learning, and I think it was one of its kind. And we did a little pilot assessment with them, and the results that we got did help us to identify the areas that we need to work on and the domains in which we are good. So we have used it as an assessment, and I would strongly recommend the other schools to do the same. And very best and good luck for their future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Next, we have the Nebula Award. Which school is getting this one, Ku?
Let the audience guess. Come on, guys. 3 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1. The Nebula Award goes to St. Teresa School, Indirapuram. Let's have a big round of applause for them. We have Miss Renu Srivastava from St. Teresa School, Indirapuram, who would like to say a few words.
Hi everyone, I'm Renu Srivastava, Academic Director, St. Teresa School, Indirapuram. My heartiest congratulations to all the kids who are the part of this virtual award ceremony. And I'm really glad to know that our school as well as the kids have been nominated for Nebula Award. Thank you, Newton team. My best wishes for your future endeavor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Now it's time for the Protostar Award. This one is going to
3, 2, 1.
National Victor Public School, East Delhi. Cheers to all the students.
We would now like to invite Miss Veena Mishra, Principal, National Victor Public School, to share a few words.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the team Newton for their wonderful thought that they have thought to conduct the Life Skills Olympiad, which is a very great initiative by this team, and I wish the team for their future endeavor. Keep working like this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of inspiration. Next, we have the T. Torrey Star Award. Which school will be getting this one?
3, 2, 1. The T. Torrey Star Award goes to Chaudhry Chabildas Public School from Ghaziabad. We have Principal Miss Tripti Mauri to share a few words of encouragement.
It's been a wonderful experience for my students to participate in the assessment which has been conducted by Newtom. And definitely this event was an out-of-box assessment for the students of this age group. I'm really proud that my children have really done well and they have won awards after participating in this event. It has really engaged the interest and attention of the students, and definitely we also would like to see that Newtom organizes more such events for the children. Thank you so much.
Last but not the least, we have the Supernova Award. Time for some final guesses in the chat box, guys.
3, 2, 1. The Supernova Award goes to Heritage School Jammu. We would like to call upon Mr. Akash Pradhan from Heritage School Jammu to share a few thoughts of inspiration.
I'm Akash Pradhan, Principal Heritage School Jammu. Very happy to receive the Supernova Award for our school, Heritage School, and very proud of our students for doing so well in the Olympiads organized by Newtom, and looking forward for the felicitation ceremony, and hope our children do even better next time, and very happy for the Newtom team, which has done a wonderful job during the pandemic time and in boosting the morale of our students, and our students have performed very well, and hope the Newtom's endeavor continues and they even do better things, and wish them a great success for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your invaluable inputs. Hey, Eku, look at the comment section. Seems like some of our friends have missed out on the results. What can we do to help them out?
Oh, tell them not to worry at all. They just need to download the Newtom app and they'll get their personalized report card over there.
Wow, that sounds easy. Can we see the Newtom coins we've earned on the app as well?
Yes, everything that we can choose from can be found on the Newtom app. The best part about all this is that we get to cash Newtom coins from everywhere. Do we get any from Voyagers as well?
Definitely. Just head on to the Newtom YouTube channel and you'll find all that you want to know about Voyagers. Do you know, for the next 24 hours, we get flat 50% off, which means you can book your ticket now at just ₹99.
Newtom heartily congratulates all the winning schools and students for their outstanding performance. We are all very proud of your excellent performance and hope that you will keep it up. All of our participants were winners to us, and we hope that the same high spirits and energy will continue when we come back for Voyagers and Newtom Olympiad 2.0.
Thank you for being such a wonderful audience.